Clap your handies, shake your booty. Clap your handies, shake your booty. Clap your handies, shake your booty. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new or returning, my name's Georgia and this is Kids About Tech. Guys, if you love cooking as much as I do, stick around because today we're going to be learning about the art and science of cooking and reviewing cooking apps. Don't forget to get this video a like and don't forget to get subscribed. Since we're cooking, we need to get some ingredients. Look at all these avocados. Peas. It's really never too late or too early to start experimenting in the kitchen. But when you start, be really careful. And don't let your house on fire. Kids of all ages are interested in what's going on in the kitchen. It's a great learning experience, and also you can pick up some wisdom on the way. First skill you need to practice is math. Cooking requires different math skills. Like if you're cooking for more than one, you need ingredients, like 1 egg for me and 3 for the family. The second is comprehension. Reading and understanding all those instructions can be a challenge. Boil, fry, bake. Next is real life skills. Cooking is a real life skill, no doubt, just like swimming. Can you imagine if you're stranded on a desert island and all by yourself? Well, at least home alone. And hungry. Well, you can make yourself some pasta. Cooking is definitely loads of fun, especially when you cook with some company. So let's have some fun. For today's episode, I have reviewed lots of the cooking apps. There's obviously Cooking Fever that we all know and all love. It's great fun, but a bit repetitive because you have to keep buying coins for progress. And well, you don't learn that much. We all love Tokoboka Kitchen, Cooking Mama, and Grandma's Kitchen. However, there's a new game on the block, and it has won my heart, and it's called Issa's Edible Adventures. It is made by Mum, Michelin star chef, and cooking judge. It lets you see how a real restaurant works and learn about new exciting ingredients from all around the world and create dishes while traveling across the map and learning about different locations, cultures, languages and food. It's not just a recipe, it's a whole story. Amazing. I started with the free arroz con pollo episode, in which Issa's mum is busy in the kitchen preparing a meal for the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Puerto Rico. How awesome is that? She would like arroz con pollo for dinner, but the kitchen is missing for some ingredients. So Issa and her pet pig, I love pigs, so that gives a bonus point. Hop in their helicopter, like normal kids and pigs do, and travel around the world to gather some ingredients for where they grow. Annatto seeds from Ecuador, olives from Spain, and rice from Great China. the design. I love all the interesting facts. This is an actual cooking experience and a video game blended all together. There are no purchases or adverts inside the app. So I give it 10 for the design, 10 for educational value, but 8 for the cooking content, because there are only 3 recipes to choose from at the moment. But of course, I am waiting for more. Whoa! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Good luck cooking. Don't forget to season everything with love.